Maureen, my wife, and myself, we started the business in 1991 as a small mail order business. We had a nice collection of daffodils. Today, our collection, after 28 years in business, extends to around the 2,500 different sorts and approximately 500 unnamed seedlings under trial. Adrian joined us in 2007. And soon he will be running the business, and he and his wife Sharon will take it to the next stage. It all started with me as a boy. I was brought up on a flower farm and was obviously involved with daffodils. In my younger years, I used to have a small collection of my own where I could pick the flowers and sell them to our neighbours and ladies for pocket money. After I married Maureen, we moved around the country for a bit and finally settled in Falmouth. And this is where we decided to make the business a real business, and that was in 1991. And 28 catalogues later, well, here we are again at Cardiff. At the moment we're finishing the harvest, and the next stage is that the bulbs will be all graded and selected. The prime bulbs will be set aside for sending out to our customers, and the remainder of bulbs will be then what we call hot water treated. They'll be given a sterilising treatment to kill off any fungal pathogens or if there might be any pests and things. And shortly after that we plant them into new ground. The ground will be prepared in the next few weeks, and our planting will start mid-September right the way through to the end of October. During the springtime, our first flowers are usually showing their beauty around early part of January, and then we get a steady flow, and about mid-March we peak, and there's several hundreds of varieties in the field. March and April you will see our flowers at shows all over the country, and in particular Cardiff. And after the flowering season is complete, we have a programme of plant health and hygiene that's carried out all through the growing season, really. I started breeding daffodils 44 years ago, and over that time I suppose I've introduced nearly 400 different sorts, and those have been sold and sent to people all over the world. And it is our particular pleasure to take the new varieties that we've bred to Cardiff Show. And Cardiff is one of our favourite shows where we like to take our favourite flowers.